Here's a lyrical trip through the annals of your mind. That space between your ears is where I place the rhyme. Here, let me show you how deep it is. Say you wanna know the secret. Wanna know the secret to the rap jam? Do you wanna know the secret to the rap jam? Say you wanna know the secret to the rap jam? Then yo, here's the secret to the rap jam. Say you wanna know the secret to the rap jam? Do you wanna know the secret to the rap jam? Say you wanna know the secret to the rap jam? Then yo, here's the secret to my jam.
Open mic started about a year and a half ago between Tom Tresser and myself. We put together this idea that by opening up the theater to the community, we'd be able to kind of recreate some community pride, get people together in an open mic setting where anybody can go on stage, they can laugh, they can sing, they can dance, they can do anything at all.
When it comes to making true to the groove, and we never ever fake it. Get plenty this, but this I can take it. Shall I say borrow for tomorrow from the brain and the sorrow? No, not even, not me, not even. You can be the one to perpetrate that treason. Now what we doing here is destroying all the fear that people seem to have when rappers in here.
We would get to find out who had a little bit of skill in one area or the other, either as poets or as singers or as musicians or dancers.
I got my ideas about that. The first thing I want to say
to some rap to the rap jam.
So we said, why don't we put together a talent show? That was the first thing. When we got that talent show together, we're sitting there, we're watching all the talent. Well, out of the neighborhood comes a young man who has a production studio in his apartment. So with a production studio and a whole bunch of talent, the only thing left to do is to put those people together. We put them together and created the album. And now we have the Best of Howard Street Volume 1.
Yeah, I'm on this album. I'm currently working on my own album also. But I got two pieces on here. One's called Hollywood Jerome, and the other's called The Roses Came in Black. Two pieces of poetry with instrumental behind it. Sounds really nice.
In a way, I got scared. In a way, I liked it. I get butterflies in my stomach.
It all comes full circle. Uncle Mr. Bill Retchen coming out from California to put a plaque on the wall. His daddy used to own the place 1920 to 1940, and we're all the way back. He's remembering times that he used to sit here and watch movies. And these children here are going to remember times when they used to come and watch each other perform.
You know, I want to thank People's House and of course,
yes, very real. Prepare now, or your fate is sealed. Wake up, my people, arise from your seat. Cause on your feet, to evil you can't defeat.
This is a great night. People coming out, families, entertainment. They're listening, they're watching, they're paying attention.
To go over there and have those double thick milkshakes.
LP waxing duets and looking for freedom on the wrong side of the track. To see I died to myself, and myself I had to die. That alternative life I had to leave to the side. Rough and oppressed by society, created by my father and foes who came before me, who never gave me a penny for my buck. So a nickel for what I miss. I'm coming straight out the bill with that funky gospel twist.
Off the cap, up comes the lava from the very depths of my hill.
So it's very important that people understand how long life is. It's very important. And so we do these things subtly without hitting anybody over the head, but just saying that the things matter, what you do matters. And if we pay attention to our kids, then they won't be trying so hard for attention by breaking windows or doing wrong things. So we got to give them a lot of credit for being good. That's what I try to do most of the time, is give them credit for being good.
I'm from the west side, you know what I'm saying? Well, the kids just gang bang, and they was doing it up here, you know, and that's good. They got something up here for the kids, so I think that's good.
So now you know the secret to the rap jam. Yeah, you know the secret to the rap jam. So now you know the secret to the rap jam. Yeah, that's the secret to my rap jam. I at least know the secret to the rap jam. Like you know the secret to the rap jam. Yo, you know the secret to the rap jam. DJ Max got the secret to the rap jam. Bitches got the secret to the rap jam. Yeah, you got the secret to the rap jam. Dan's got the secret to the rap jam. Everybody knows the secret to the rap jam. the bank. Your big